Namaste friends. The last couple of weeks we have received a lot of feedback regarding KPNOX. Users have suggested some new features that we can add. A lot of enhancements have been suggested. We are definitely working on those lines. Thank you very much for the feedback. Please keep it coming. We also received a couple of queries from our users and I'll try to address the queries in this video. The first one is, how can I change the Ayanamsha? KPNOX is KP specific, so the Ayanamsha is already set up by default in the application. There is no provision for an end user to change it. The second one is, how do I read aspects in KPNOX? Can you show an example? So I have created a horoscope here. Now there are 4 aspects that we consider in Astro Vastu as critical. 2 of them are positive and 2 of them are negative. 60 and 120 are considered as positive. 90 and 180 are considered as negative. KPNOX will automatically highlight the aspects, the critical ones, by using red and green backgrounds. It's color coded. So the positive aspects are highlighted in green and the negative aspects are highlighted in red. So you can see here that the 7th house has a negative aspect of 180 from Venus. Third question is, why are Rahu and Ketu aspects not color coded? Rahu and Ketu do not have aspects. They do not aspect planets or they do not aspect each other, because Rahu and Ketu are mathematical points. They don't have a physical presence. However, Rahu and Ketu can be aspected. So that's the reason why you don't see any color coding for Rahu and Ketu here in the table. The other question was, can I alter the orbits? In this version, we do not have a provision wherein you can alter the orbits. However, default of plus or minus 8 is considered for 180-degree aspect. So this is already set up in the application as per Astro Vastu standards. The last question that we received was, is there a mobile app for KPNOX? At this point of time, we do not have a mobile app for KPNOX. However, we have started working on a web-based version for KPNOX. Unfortunately, I cannot give you a timeline at this point. However, we will keep you posted on when the web-based application will be available. Thank you for your time and have a great day.